Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another amazing custom ROM for our Redmi Note 10, and this one is the Rice OS. Let me show you its detail. As you can see here, this is the RiceDroid ROM for our Redmi Note 10, and in the about phone here we have some specifications of our device. Then we have device Mojito and Android version, which is Android 12. And this is the pure Android 12. So after it, here we have the RiceDroid version, which is the Glamorous 2.0, and this is the GApps build. All credits goes to its maintainer, and its security patch is all the way latest 5 June 2022. So the ROM is pretty stable. In this video I will show you how you can install it on your Redmi Note 10, Mojito or Sunny, and I will also show you a brief review of this ROM. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the ROM is pretty much stable. There is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Everything is just working fine, and as you can see here, animations are also played very well. And in the camera here we have this kind of camera. Maybe this is a G cam, and this camera takes really decent photos and videos. So, and if you want other options, advanced options like portrait mode and other options, then you can go for the G cam. This ROM doesn't has a lot of junky applications. As you can see here, there are only few and needed applications are installed in this ROM. So if you want more applications, then you can go to the Play Store and install any application you want. And in the quick settings here we have edit option, power option and setting option. And in the home screen here we have the launcher with some settings like you can edit the icons, home screen, layout, app drawer layout. Unfortunately this stops working. In the MISC we have some other options like use taskbar, grid style, and you can also use the hidden and protected apps feature, and that's mean no need to install any third-party application to lock the apps. So look at the icons. The icons are pretty much different from other ROMs and they look pretty much unique. And let's go to the settings. In the settings here we have a pretty much MIUI 12 or 11 based UI. As you can see here, if you remember the MIUI 10 or 11. And first of all we have the owner, Wi-Fi and internet connected devices, customizations. In the customizations, first we have the customizations of status bar. From here, like you already know what you can do. From here you can change the status bar icons. You can you can change the location of clock style. You can enable or disable the logo. You can enable the traffic indicators and some other icon settings, and you can also change the battery styles, battery charging style, and you can also enable the brightness control gesture. Then we have quick settings option right here. Then we have lock screen customizations right here. Then we have navigation. Then we have navigation customizations, button customizations, and user interface, notification, sound. In the MISC here we have the game space. That's mean you can game on this ROM, and it will really help you to enhance the gaming performance. And then we have the hidden apps. From here you can hide applications, and you can also protect the applications. Here we have pocket detection, swipe 3-finger screenshot, unlimited photos, storage, and you can also unlock the higher FPS in games. So after it, here we have the brightness and internet. Here we have brightness level, adaptive brightness, ultra dim, which can be used if you are using the phone in the dark. And after it, here we have the lock screen settings. You can enable or disable the dark theme. You can change the font size, display size. You can enable the night light, and you can also change the color profile. I am using the boosted one. Then we have rotation settings and some other settings. After it, we have the styles and wallpaper. From here you can change the wallpaper. Here we have a lot of pre-installed amazing wallpapers. Look at these wallpapers, they are really beautiful. Let's try this one. So as you can see here, these wallpapers are looking very beautiful. Now let's go back to our topic. After it, here we have the applications, notification, battery and the battery performance of this ROM is also really impressive. And here we have the RiceDroid idle manager. It will stop all non-essential background processings in the device, which will of course save your battery life. Then we have the battery saver and battery user right here. After it we have the storage, sound and vibration, and here we also have the clear speaker and Mi sound enhancer, which will be helpful to enhance the sounding quality. Then we have utilities, and in the utility we have a lot of options like text and display, dark theme, magnification, timing controls, system controls, vibrations and haptics, live caption, caption preferences, audio adjustment and accessibility shortcuts. Then we have security and lock screen. In the security and lock screen, every security option is working fine, like face unlock is working, fingerprint is working, and all other on-screen locks are also working pretty much cool. You will enjoy this ROM. Then we have the privacy, location, safety and emergency, accounts, Google, system. In the system we have languages and input, live translate, system profiles, gesture. In the gesture we have quick tap, quickly open camera, system navigation bar, one-handed mode, which is one of my favorite feature on this ROM. Not on this ROM, actually on Android 12 ROMs. Then we have press and hold power button, double tap feature, double tap to check phone, which is pretty much like the always on display. And then we have prevent drinking. After it we have date and time, backup, updater, rules, multiple users, RiceDroid lab, reset options and thermal profiles. And at the end here we have the about phone section, and in the about phone you can check your device specifications, device model, Android version, which is the Android 12, and the security patch of this ROM is also all the way latest, 5 June 2022. The RiceDroid version is Glamorous 2.0 GX build, and this ROM is pretty much stable and you can use this ROM as your daily driver. And I think you should have a try on this ROM because I really like this ROM. And if you want to install this ROM on your Redmi Note 10, then just download the ROM from the link in the description and reboot your device into an installed custom recovery. So after going into the recovery, you just have to go to wipe, click on format data, and you have to type yes here, and it will format your data. So after formatting the data, go back to home, click on install, and from here you have to locate downloaded RiceDroid ROM for our Mojito. As you can see here we have it. Just click on it and flash it right from here. It can take a while to install this ROM, so have patience. So after getting installed the ROM, you can also flash the Magic Manager if you want to root your ROM, and you can also install any custom recovery which you want to maybe stay permanent. Otherwise your recovery will be replaced by the custom ROM's recovery. So I'm going to install my recovery, which is the Orange Fox. And after installing recovery or Magic Manager zip file, you just have to go to reboot and click on system, and in a few seconds the ROM will be installed on your device. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace.